I've got my FabFitFun Beauty edit for the month of August. So if you want to see what I chose, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and Bandit just came in the room. Chloe's off doing Chloe things though. We don't see her too often anymore. Just when there's snacks. And maybe you'll catch sight of Bandit, who knows, but he did just sit up next to me. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. Again, my name is Tracy. I just give you my thoughts on things from subscription boxes, fashion, hauls, things like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Hi, Mr. Wonderful. And this is my beautiful boy Bandit. Did you say hi to the camera? No? Okay. So FabFitFun has a beauty box. It is $29.99 a month. That includes shipping. You're going to get 4 items. You're definitely going to get your investment back. It's like last month was amazing. Last month I actually picked up a second box for my second account. This month I canceled it because the choices weren't that exciting to me. Okay, there's 4 things, but there's 5 things in my box, so I'm a little confused. But okay, we're just going to go with it. Oh, I added on one thing. I did. I added on one thing because there was one category in which I wanted 2 different things. Okay. And they did allow that. So in the past, I had not seen that option. But this time around, I did see that for like an extra, whatever it was, 11 bucks, I think it was, I could add on this item. And I was like, all right, that's fair. I'll do that. Okay, so let's start off with the fragrance, and that is by Clean Reserve. It is the Caramel Swirl, or Caramel Swirl, however you pronounce it. This particular brand is PETA certified. They're also Leaping Bunny certified. They are vegan, and they are a clean company. Hence Clean Reserve, right? Clean Beauty. Ooh, that's very nice. Yes, that very gourmand. Yeah, I like that. I go to work smelling like a snack. All right, next by Pharmacy is their lip smoothie in the pear kiwi. So in my FabFitFun box, I got the honey vanilla. I think I also have the apple in my other account box, which is sitting here next to me. I'm going to open that next. The vanilla one, honey vanilla, smelled so good. All right, so here is this one. It's a little green. Very light fruit scent to this, although I think I am smelling what I just sprayed more than anything else. So it could have a stronger smell, or stronger scent, but I'm just smelling that caramel swirl. Then by Borogio is their Style and Treat Yuzu and Plum Oil Supreme Shine Strengthening Oil. And Borogio is cruelty-free and vegan and gluten-free. They are Leaping Bunny certified. And this is a pearlescent cushiony gloss that melts into a high shine oil, providing deep moisture and heat protection, leaving strands soft, strong, and supremely luscious. You're going to use a pea-sized amount and warm in your hands. Melt the gloss into an oil and then smooth over wet or dry strands, adding more as needed, and then style as usual. And it is a 99% naturally derived formula. All right, by Kosas Sport, we have their Beachy Clean Chemistry AHA Serum Deodorant. So I've been looking for some deodorant alternatives from Lumi. I'm no longer supporting that brand. And Kosas, I'm hoping that I'm going to enjoy this. All right, so it's a roller ball, which is probably like similar to, oh, it smells really nice. Similar to the serum deodorant that I really enjoyed from Saltaire, which I really enjoyed that one. But since this was in my box, I'm like, great. So now I have this and the Salt and Stone one. 2 different types. Happy to try them. And then by Kosas is the Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder in Peachy. And of course, Kosas is cruelty-free. They are Leaping Bunny certified. They are a small brand. Love supporting those small brands. All right, so let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item? I'm really liking this perfume, but so I did really like 4 of the items. Obviously, I liked 5 of the items, but just not enough to get a second box. I was excited about the deodorant, and I was excited about the perfume and the Brogio and the Pharmacy Lippy. But I feel like this was either in the same category as the perfume or the deodorant, because otherwise, like, this is a nice product. I don't necessarily use a lot of powder though, so this was kind of like, I wouldn't have necessarily chosen one over the other. And this, I did have the other 2, so I think it was these 2 that I really wanted, and then this was in that category. All right, but I do think they're getting better. Definitely getting that value back, as I'll have had my MSRPs up for you. But let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Are you ready to take the plunge? I don't know. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.